I started working on my small habits, and which is why I started my podcast where I can interact with more and more people, know about them, and that was my first aim. From the day I've started doing that, I've started noticing the change. Earlier, what I was doing is I was attending all your classes but not taking action. And the moment I started coming on the action mode, things started shifting for me.
All right, welcome to another Hall of Fame interview. So today we are going to be talking about the energy queen Anuradha. She's from Pune and she has achieved marvelous results in her life. So now over to Anuradha. But before you go, congratulations once again on winning the Energy Queen's Life Bearer Award. You have really come a long way, Anuradha. So more energy to you, and here we go. So tell us about your achievements. Tell us from where you were started and now where have you reached so far? What have you achieved in
Absolutely.
your life? Yes.
Absolutely, Ritu. First of all, thank you so much. And, this was one of my dreams uh, to have a Hall of Fame interview with you. So, super excited for that. Uh,
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Talking about me, Ritu, I've been working in corporate in the leadership position for more than 16 years now. I have my podcast where I talk to the amazing women from different backgrounds. And the name of my show is Charismatic Inspiring Women. I've authored 3 books, and I'm on a I'm on the verge of completing my 4th book. Recently, I've also started my YouTube channel. You're one of my a very close mentor of mine who has brought lots and lots of transformation in my life. And yes, outside of my work, I'm a happy wife and a mom to a 14 years old son.
Amazing. I know. So super congratulations to you once again. We would love to know more in detail about your journey. So let's talk about one area after the other. So first, since you mentioned about your podcast, since you mentioned about you've written 3 books already and you're on the verge of writing the 4th one. Yes, so
Yes.
awesome writer. That means that. So Anu, let us talk about from your career point of view. So like you said, you were first working somewhere and now you're doing all of these things, writing a book, writing books, and also how are you coping up with everything and what really happened? Let us know more about it.
So Ritu, I would say if I talk about my career transition, it is an humongous shift in my career, I would say. And I literally love what I do, and everything what I do, it comes from my heart. One of the thing is that I'm still working in corporate. I'm serving my notice period right now, and yes, I would say my corporate life was also excited, I would say. Despite of working in corporate, Ritu, I would say that I was very introvert person, but I choose to come out of my comfort zone, and the kind of a work I'm doing right now, it makes me extrovert. So yes, and just to I started working on my small habits, and which is why I started my podcast where I can interact with more and more people, know about them, and that was my first aim. So these were the small habits which I started working upon. Writing something, it comes from my heart, Ritu, and whenever I sit for writing, it's kind of a healing for me.
No.
So yeah, so that is something which comes from my heart. And today I would say that after joining you, Ritu.
So, yes, I remember when you came also, you were in your corporate, but your heart lied more in coaching and you wanted to help other women, help other
Yes.
people, right? Do your own podcast. You told me that I want to become an emotional coach for that matter to
Yeah.
people emotionally. And you are on the, now you're absolutely, you've nailed it, I think. Completely
Yes.
along with your corporate, which is like, which of course now you're the center of attraction, what you say, how you're saying it there and it's amazing. But even in spite of that, you have the time now to work on your, your internal life, your podcast and your YouTube and everything. And that must be really time consuming also, Anu, right?
Absolutely.
And you're doing it
Absolutely.
so gracefully, and I can see the spark in your eyes already.
Yes, absolutely, Ritu. But now I make sure that even if I'm on eight habits for the day, if I'm achieving it, I'm celebrating that.
Amazing. Love it. Yes. So this is what the subtle shift is, that you're celebrating life and you're celebrating your being more, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
We can see that spark already. Anu, so it's a beautiful story that you've shared right now, and it's very, very inspiring for that matter. So tell us more about your YouTube channel also you've started lately, right? What is that channel called? And I mean, you being an introvert, how did you do it? I mean, we would love to know that. Like, there's so many women out there who wants to do so much and who have it inside of them for that matter,
Yeah.
right? They're unable to do it because something stops them. So tell me more about it. Like what shifted inside you, and how could you just out being in from an introvert to becoming a complete extrovert, as in, inspiring so many people for that matter, right? Though I understand that sometimes inside we still feel as if, no, I'm the same girl before, but yeah, you've been
Absolutely.
so much to inspire other people. So how did that shift exactly happen, and when did it start for that matter?
So Ritu, if I say that I'm a completely extrovert person, I would say no. I'm still an introvert. The place where I live in, the society where I live in, because of my working hours, I'm not that person who gets a lot of time to socialize, because there are other things which I'm really focusing upon. So yes, I'm still a kind of an introvert
That's
person.
exactly what I'm saying. Introvert from within, but when it comes to inspiring other people, extrovert, right?
Yeah, so that is something, a calling which comes from my heart, that I really want to do something, and that keeps me pushing. From the day I've started doing that, I've started noticing the change. Earlier, what I was doing is I was attending all your classes but not taking action, and the moment I started coming on the action mode, things started shifting for me.
Mhm. So let's talk about the four systems for that matter. So let's go with Nidhi Nova system for that matter, right? In your money frequency, what shift have you seen in your money frequency? As in, I remember you showing us some beautiful pictures of your husband gifting you some diamond jewelry also for that matter.
Yes.
Yes, and apart from that, even in your own workspace, have you seen any money frequency shift in your life?
Absolutely, Ritu.
Wow, that's brilliant, Anu. More energy to you and more money coming your way. So you've
Yes.
achieved more than you perceived, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And that's brilliant, Anu. More power to you, more energy to you, and may your money keep growing and keep growing and keep growing in your life.
Thank you. And this was something, the very first time I experienced this, Ritu. Otherwise, money used to come, but there was no saving thoughts kind of. And, we used to just give away. But now I feel that security,
Yes, that's very important.
you can see that now. And I feel that, I'm protecting myself and my family also.
Love it, Anu. Superb. So you feel so proud about yourself, and you can see a personal development growth also. Like I can see that for sure in your life. Yes, more
Yes.
confident to speak. And tell me more about your books and everything. Like you've authored 3 books, so and the fourth one coming. So do you want to become like an author, or you want to? I mean, what is your goal ultimately? How many books do you plan to write, Anu? Tell me that.
Fifth book, something which I really want to write is when I start, living my life of a coach, as a coach, I really want to put everything down in that book, as what was my experience, what mistakes I have done, and that is one of my dreams, so that more and more people can take action.
Love it, Anu. More energy to all your books for that matter, to your podcast channel, to your YouTube channel, to your career, to your relationships, and to you. Yes,
Thank you.
you
Yes.
look vibrant, you look lovely, and yes, looking forward to create to double your income next year from 8 lakhs
Absolutely.
to 16 lakhs.
Yes.
More than
Yes.
that for that matter. Yes, I
Yes.
love it. Super duper proud of you. So, anything else which you want to say to the audience, whoever is watching this video, and anything which you want to add on to?
Ritu, one of the things I really want to share, and I really want to be very, very authentic with it, invest, trust in your mentors, and surrender. Surrender at the same time, keep taking action. If you're just preparing your goals and you are doing everything, that's not going to work. Take small little actions and then that will add to the big results. And today I really feel proud of that, Ritu. And yes, I'm looking forward for more amazing achievements in my life. So thanks to you, thanks to Nikunj sir, you guys are like, make me complete.
Thank you.
Without you, nothing comes to me.
You are the energy empress. You're going to become the energy empress. You're already the energy queen. Yes, Anu, I
Yes.
that completely. So congratulations once again on achieving the Light Bearer Energy Queen Light Bearer Award and helping so many other women also for that matter to achieve.
Thank you so much, Ritu. Thank you for everything.
Most welcome, my dear. Love you. Love you.
Love you, Ritu.